What's up guys? I hope all of you are doing okay. And so today I'm going to share a very unique strategy. This strategy works for every pair, and also if you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced in forex, I hope this strategy will really help you out and it will make sense, right? So let's head into it. So the first thing you have to understand in this strategy are our psychological levels, right? So I've written here. So I'm going to teach you about psychological levels and how you can, the levels can help you trade the markets easily, right? So guys, what is a psychological level over here? So these are market levels which are often key zones and are denoted off as round off numbers, right? So these rounded off numbers acts as levels of support and resistance, or supply and demand, right? So what I mean by psychological levels, these are levels which are rounded off, then the levels will act as our support and resistance, or some people call it supply and demand, right? So banks and other large financial institutions pay close attention to these levels, right? So you see the psychological levels, the banks and larger financial institutions which trade the forex market, they pay close attention to these levels, and these levels are what I'm going to teach you how to plot them and how the levels can help you trade the markets, since they act as our support and resistance levels, right, or our supply and demand levels. So let's head straight into the markets. So I use MetaTrader 5, and so let's start with GBP JPY. So guys, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Guys, let me show you now how to plot the psychological levels. It's super simple. You only need the psychological levels to make money off the markets, right? So what I mean by psychological levels, these are levels which, when you plot to the market, they will help you to identify support and resistance levels, right? So this is the British Japanese yen pair, the GBP JPY, right guys? So the first thing you have to do, you have to now to look for a horizontal line, and you draw it. And when you come and plot the horizontal line, so the first thing you have to do now, we are plotting now our psychological levels, right? So this level, let's put it at 164. You see it's a rounded off number over here, 164, a rounded off number, psychological level 164, right? So let's click done. We are done. You see, you can see it here. You can see now this level. Sorry guys, sorry for that. You can see now this level, it's the 164 level, right? So the next level, let's plot now the 165 level, rounded off numbers. These rounded off numbers act as our psychological level. You can now see the two, the 164, 165 over here. So you can guess the next, it's 166. Let's plot it. Let me be really fast so that this video doesn't take long and you don't get bored. But this will really change the way you're trading in the markets when you understand them. So be patient. Let me finish now. We have already drawn the 166. Okay, this is now the 167, the 167 region. So guys, as you've seen now over here, I have plotted now my psychological levels, guys. As you can see, these psychological levels, this 166 region, so let me show you how to trade the levels, right? So these levels, will act as your floor and ceiling, guys. So whenever price comes down to touch a level, you know that this level will be a floor. So if this level is a floor, it will support now the price. And when you see now this type of candlestick over here, let me plot it so that you can see. So guys, okay, when price came over here, you see price was trading down. When it came over there and you saw that type of momentum, now this would act as your support, and now you could be buying over here, right? You buy and take the price with it. So whenever price comes here to this support, now this psychological level will act as your support. Now this region you're looking to buy, and whenever price comes now up, when you're looking to sell, you're selling in the resistance zone, the next psychological level. You sell over here, right? You're looking to kill with the sales, right, guys? So let me show you again over here. You can see over here, let me plot it easily for you guys. Price broke out here, right? After breaking out, it came back here down, and when it touched here, this 166 level, price moved up. You are buying. Now the level will act as your support over here. So price pushed up, then it broke this structure, came back to retest over here, and this is where you are looking to kill with the buys. Now here you are buying because this 166 levels will act as your support, right? So whenever price came here, you are buying. Look, even here you buy, you're looking to kill with the buys because now this will act as your support. So but here now price came and now was trading below it. So whenever price came here, you look to sell now because now it broke the floor, which is now like the support, and came back to retest here. When it retested here, now this will act as your ceiling now and resistance level. So here you are selling. Whenever price came here and you saw this rejection, you are selling. This type of trades, guys, is what I'm telling you. So you can see over here, price came and now traded below it. Now when it come and touch the level over here, now this like a break and retest over here, you are looking to sell now and take the market still here. And when it reached here down, now this psychological level now will act as our support. So in this support, and you see this type of candle, you buy. Guys, this is powerful stuff. You can try it in many pairs, guys. So I've explained it on the GBP JPY. Let me show you also on the GBP USD GU. So guys, I've already plotted these levels, so you can see here when price broke down below this, it came here to retest here, and when it retested here, the level would act as your ceiling. Now this is now resistance. So here you are looking to sell. We are selling until here, guys. So let's look how the levels were over here. Price came here and rejected this 1.22500 level, and price bought. You see, guys. So I hope you have understood the psychological levels. You can also you can also revisit the video so that you understand the levels well, guys. So that's it. I hope you've understood the psychological levels. I hope you understand how you can plot them, guys. It's really easy. They will act as your support and resistance, guys. So thank you. Like, comment something, share this video, and I will really appreciate, and will continue dropping more gems for you guys. So